Welcome to this presentation on Rented. We are seeking 16,000 Australian dollars for 20% of our company. By starting off this presentation, I want you to imagine being a 19-year-old student who is moving out for the first time. You know you're going to need some tools and equipment for the process, but you don't have the money to afford the needed equipment. That's why you want to find a cheaper solution, and that's why you choose to rent it. And what is Rented? Rented is an innovative platform on a mission to connect renters and lenders, providing a unique service to the market. Our aspiration is to become the first choice solution for individuals seeking alternatives to purchasing items. Who are we and how does Rented work? Our team consists of the CEO, Travis, who is in charge of the strategy, CTO, Björn, who is in charge of development of the app and the homepage, CMO Alexander, who is in charge of the marketing, and myself in charge of the financials. This is a quick overview of how the app works. We have divided our segments into two groups. Segment 1, which is the university students, aged 20 to 29 years. They're living in ACT, and those are the ones that prefer the low prices. Hence, we believe these to be our main renters. Then we have the segment 2, which is the upper to middle class with a relative high income. They are interested in sustainability and they are also living in the ACT. And we believe this segment to be our common lenders. In order to get in contact with the target segment, we will use the word of mouth among the youth. By giving the youth a great experience with the app, we hope they will talk to their acquaintance and by that increase the awareness of Rented. Other than that, we're going to use digital marketing to reach and engage with the audience, and we are hoping to transfer people from Meta to Rented. Looking into the financial, we will look at an establishment. It will cost around 80,000 Australian dollars to establish Rented. And looking into the market, based on Australian Bureau of Statistics, 1.14 million moves happens each year, and we aim to acquire 0.5% of that in year 1, equivalent to 5,700 expected moves with Rented. And looking into an average rent on $677, we acquire 3.5% of that, meaning by each move we will get a revenue of 23.72 Australian dollars. Looking at the summaries of the financials in year 1, we will look into a profit or a net loss. However, in year 2, we will have a net profit. And our growth plan, in the first month, we will be planning the development of the company. The following month, we'll be testing the app, and in month 3 or 4, we will launch the app. Further out in the future, we will be looking into a geographic expansion or maybe industrial expansion into the ski and fitness. And further out, we will be looking into subscription fee and transaction fees. Thank you for listening, and I hope you see value in the investment and will join our journey.